All right, everybody, welcome to another video. In today's video, we have something very exciting for the Audi that is going to completely transform the front of it. And that is a full front lip. I think the gloss black here and the gloss black here and the black there is going to tie in really well together. We're gonna do black side skirts as well. And then we're gonna do carbon fiber mirrors and a carbon fiber wing. So bear with me, it's gonna look a little goofy with just a front lip for now, but let's get the car in the air and get this thing put on. Before I get it in the air, I do just want to say I hope everyone had a good Christmas. I hope everybody got whatever gift they asked for. It is currently 8:24, the day before Christmas Eve, and I have to work tomorrow, so we are going to rush this install. Okay, so this is a cheap 3-piece lip that is, if we look on the bottom, just held together by some screws. My thought process was I would buy a cheaper one and I would destroy the cheaper one learning how to drive with a lip versus getting a really expensive carbon fiber one and not know how to drive with it and destroy a $300, $400, $500, $600, $700 lip, and then I'm really pissed off at myself. So first things first, we're gonna use some cleaner here. I'm gonna clean up the bottom of this bumper, and then we are going to start laying tape on this. Okay, so this also comes with some tape and some screws. As you can see, the screw holes here. I have the bottom of the bumper completely cleaned up, so I'm now going to go a little bit inside of where this body line meets, and I'm going to run some tape up through here as well. You can feel the lip where it's supposed to meet up against these points here. So let's get to that. All right, so we have a tape line ran all the way up and down this. I am not going to put any tape around this because literally screw hole, screw hole, screw hole on the end, like all through the center. We put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 screws in the back side of this. So even if this tape fails, it's not going to come off. It's just an extra assurance. Make sure this thing actually lines up like it should. Oh yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Actually, for just being an $80 lip on Amazon, it looks really good. I haven't got to see it from like the actual front or anything yet, or obviously down on the ground. I'm sorry, I'm out of breath because I'm fat and laying on the floor. Yeah, the fitment is not absolutely perfect. I will admit that. It's really good up until about here. And then it starts to kick out. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be designed, but I ended up completely ditching the tape other than on the flat center piece here. So as you can see, my gapping is absolutely perfect on both sides. Right there and right there fit literally like perfect. So that's impressive. I don't like that you can see this, but I mean, it is what it is. I honestly really, really, really like it. So let's get this thing on the ground and get a little better look at it. Okay, I will say a million times better on the ground. It's hard to get you guys a good angle inside of my garage here, but that is a million times better. It's just flashy enough with the little fins, little like fins or whatever the hell you want to call those there. And then these little guys right here, like I said, that little kick up will be followed right here when I get the side skirts. And if you look, it's kind of hard to see. The side skirt has a little bit of poke on the front. Sticks out literally just perfectly flush with my wheels. I think the black Amber Elite in the front, the black grille, I mean, obviously the fog light bezels are all black, but all of the black up front with the silver, or gray, my bad. Just wait until I get this damn thing tinted. It's gonna be all sorts of black and carbon fiber accents on this gray car, and it's gonna look so good. But I do like it. You guys will have to let me know what you think about it as well. We'll give you another shot from over here. Don't get me wrong, I'm gonna get some B-rolls, but this is the best I can get for tonight because, like I said, I have to work Christmas Eve, so I'm literally gonna be up for work at 4 in the morning. This is all I can accomplish for tonight, but it looks absolutely amazing. And it pokes out a good bit compared to where stock was. You can see the stock piece here and how far that stuck out. I mean, it's literally another 2.5 inches. So I really, really, really like it, and it's gonna look really good and flow really well with a pair of side skirts right here. So, like I said, let me know what you guys think about it below. I really like it, so obviously I'm gonna leave it because it is my car. All right, so as you can see, the front lip looks really, really good. One thing I did forget to include in this video and my last video as well, I did get an Audi emblem in and it did not fit. So we are returning it. I think it is because I have the RS style front grille. I'm not entirely certain, but this one was too small. I think it was the 9.8 version instead of the 10.2 or something. I'm not entirely sure of the exact sizes, but it did not fit. So this is going to be the end of today's video. I know it's kind of a short one, but the front lip looks so good. I have already ordered the side skirts, so the side skirts will be here whenever they come. And then after that, we're going to be ordering the spoiler. And then after that, we're going to be doing the carbon fiber mirror caps. I still have to finish some of the interior. Lots of things going on with this car. So remember, I don't ask a lot. Hit the thumbs up button. Please subscribe if you haven't already, because we have a lot coming for the Audi. By next summer, this car is going to be completely unrecognizable. It's going to be lowered on nice wheels with some big ass tires, really good fitment, low to the ground. I mean, all of the paint is going to be corrected and ceramic coated. It's going to be tinted, just everything. The whole entire car is going to be completely changed. So if you want to see that and you like Audi S4s, then this is hopefully the channel for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Peace out. Have a great rest of your night.